Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are unboxing a Boxycharm box. This is for the month of May, and of course I have the base box. So I am gonna be showing you guys what I got in my box for the month. We're gonna be trying out what we can try out, and just seeing what I think about this month's choices. So, fun stuff for today, but before we get into all of this, please give this a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much if you do. But if you want to see my unboxing of my May Boxycharm box, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okie dokie. So, like I said, I've got my May box here. I don't know what's in here. As usual, it's going to be a surprise to you and to me because I love my Boxycharm boxes to be a surprise. I like when new things come in from brands that I haven't tried before and just finding new things, you know? So I don't know what's in here, but I've already taken the seal off. I haven't peeked though, I promise. And I'm just gonna open this up and we're gonna talk about what's in there. Hopefully try some things if we're able to. Sometimes I get more skincare than I do makeup, so sometimes it can be a little bit harder to try stuff, but we'll see what happens this time. So the May Boxycharm base box. We're gonna open this up. So of course we've got the Instagram handle and the hashtag, and then it says hello charmer, and then you open this up and it says Boxycharm in the beautiful hot pink color. So I already see that this is a little bit springy. It says Super Bloom Boxycharm. And we could just get started because I'm excited to see what I got this month. So the first product is from Skin Inc. It's the Serum Glow Filter. It says, glow up with the world's first skincare makeup. Serum Glow Filter, blending beauty and technology in one bottle. This clever concoction is formulated with rare gold hibiscus extract and Skin Inc.'s top 2 best-selling serums, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, to give you a selfie filter in real life. It's perfect for day use and is personalized to your skin tone using light reflective technology that enables external light to bounce off your skin, creating a glowy, pearlized finish and reduced appearance of pores and red skin tone. Goes for $50. I actually have tried Skin Inc. before, I'm pretty sure, if I'm thinking of the right one. It's like that thing where you can customize your serum to like whatever skin concerns you have. Honestly, when I tried that serum, I didn't really notice it doing much for me, but maybe this will. So let me see. Oh. Okay. I don't know if Boxycharm sent me like a used product. That is kind of gross, but this is literally like ripped open. Like the other piece of the top was like in there, and this is opened already. But it looks untouched, so I don't really know. I feel weird about that. It has this thing, but you probably could have easily taken that off. I don't know, that's super weird to me. I don't know how to feel right now. Anyways, it's fine. So this is really cool actually. I really like that it's like clear and it has beads inside, so it legit looks like a serum. And this is what I was thinking of because this is what the serums kind of looked like too. So it has these beads inside that'll probably turn to like a foundation-y color, I'm assuming. I can't get over that. That's so weird that that was ripped open. Oh my gosh. I'm hoping that this is not used already. It doesn't look like it because this is like untouched, it looks like, but let's hope. I'm just gonna swatch a little bit of this on the back. Okay, it's not used because you know when you get a new product, you have to like pump it a few times for the product to actually come out. That's what this is doing. So, all right. Faith restored. Let me just, this is so weird. Nothing is like, nothing's happening. It's just clear. Like no color came out of it. I wonder how many times you'd have to pump this to get actual beads to come out. Let me see. Okay, so this feels really, really good, and I love how this feels, but it's legit clear. Like, no color came off of that. It's literally just like a serum. I'm like trying to see if I could get any beads out of it, but nothing. Like, it's literally just, this is what it looks like. And then when I spread it on the back of my hand, it's literally just clear. Like, look at that. I mean, I guess it doesn't really claim to be a foundation. Like, I don't think it's supposed to be a foundation, but it's calling it skincare makeup, reducing the appearance of pores and red skin tone. But I cannot imagine how this would do that when it's literally just like clear. So that's super, super weird. And it literally says directions. Use 1 to 2 pumps before makeup as a primer. Oh, okay. To brighten skin, even skin tone, and help reduce the appearance of lines. Okay, that makes a difference. I feel like for that it would be pretty good because it felt really nice, and I feel like this could work really nicely before makeup. So I take it back. I'm interested. So I'm gonna play around with this more, maybe use it like a primer more, kind of, and see how that works for me. I was like under the impression that this was literal makeup, like a foundation, like tinted moisturizer kind of thing. So that's what threw me off, but that makes more sense now. So I am interested. I will keep you guys posted on this one. Next is from Somerville. Oh my God, yes. The EXFOLIKATE Glow Moisturizer. It says revive dull, dry, lackluster looking skin with Kate's EXFOLIKATE Glow Moisturizer. Powerhouse ingredients remove dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. Goes for $70. Oh my gosh, so expensive. I love Somerville products so much. So I'm very much excited that I'm getting this one. Let me see, I don't know if I've tried this actually. Let me see if I have. I might have actually, and I'm pretty sure I really, really loved it. Oh my God, this feels so freaking good. I've had a long, long day, so I can't wait to take my makeup off, and I'm gonna put this on my face and I'm gonna like do some TLC on my skin. I just needed something like this, so I'm very, very excited that this came in the box. It's so glowy and it feels so good. It literally feels like butter on your skin, but in the best way. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. I already know that I love this. So this is a big yes already from me, but I'm so excited that I get the full size because this is not cheap, 70 bucks. Thank you, Boxycharm. So next is from Item Beauty by Addison, the Air Hug Concealer. When you need to course correct, this medium to full coverage concealer is the way to go. This lightweight formula features Carica papaya fruit extract to deliver a boost of yummy antioxidants like vitamin C and lends a smooth, seamless finish. Its pillowy texture glides on effortlessly and melts into your skin without a crease in sight. And it goes for $18. So here is that. I will be honest with you, I got an Item Beauty product in the last box and I didn't really like it. It was a mascara, so I'm hoping that this ends up being better. The packaging is okay. It's like a big thing for a concealer. This almost reminds me of a pencil for some reason. Like, this looks like an eraser on a pencil. It's not a good thing or a bad thing. This applicator is so weird. It's like hard. That's so weird. Okay, hold on. Here's what this looks like. I'm not really a full coverage concealer kind of person, but I will give it a shot. Okay, this is actually kind of pretty. Look at this. When you blend it out, it's actually not bad. It feels really good too. Like, it does feel lightweight. And I feel like it's not like super thick and gross feeling like some concealers can be. Like, that actually went on really, really nice. So maybe I can make this work. Okay, that's exciting. I am gonna keep you guys posted on this one too. I was expecting not to really like it when I put it on the back of my hand, but it's pretty nice. So looking forward to trying that one out. And then the next one is from KOSMETIKS, which is a new brand to me. It says creamy liquid velvet lipstick. Unlike any other lip color you've ever seen, this liquid velvet lipstick is the product you need to add to your makeup kit. Formulated to be creamy, lightweight, and long-wearing, make a unique statement with your fashion-forward vibe. Goes for $22. So here is that in the packaging. Let's open this up. Purple. Why do I always get purple lip products in these boxes? Let's see what this looks like. I like the packaging. I feel like it's very, like, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, very not over the top. You know, I can't, like, my brain is just not working right today. But it's, like, very simple and it's pretty. Okay, this concealer is really, really cute. Wow, I can't get over that. Okay, anyways, let me swatch this on the back of my hand. I actually really like this color. Wow. If I'm being honest, I wish I got this in one of my, like, past few Boxycharm boxes, because this would be such a beautiful, like, fall/winter lip color. I don't know if I see myself wearing this color in the summer. Like, this to me is a very, like, wintry, fall-y, like, berry color. So I tend to wear these kinds of shades in the fall and winter months, but this is stunning. Like, I feel like this would look really, really cute on me. So love, and it feels really good. It's like creamy. Obviously it moves if you touch it, but it's really, really nice. I love that, and it's super pigmented. So gonna keep testing that out. And then the last product on here is also from a brand I haven't heard of before. It's the Yensa Skin on Skin Beauty Sponge. This Skin on Skin Beauty Sponge gives you a full coverage but skin-like finish, multi-purpose and reusable with a gentle wash after a use. Gentle on skin, and it goes for $18. So here is this, a very, very fancy packaging for a beauty sponge. So let me open this. But is it better than my beauty blender? You guys know how I feel about my beauty blender. So it says meaning of yen, Chinese, color and face, English, deep desire and passion, Vietnamese, calm and peaceful, Japanese, currency. That's super interesting. All right, let me take this out of here. Here is what this looks like. If I'm being totally honest, this reminds me a lot of the Morphe makeup sponge. Like, it looks pretty similar. The Morphe one was just like a little bit bigger, but it has a similar look to it with like the sharp edges. It feels like really similar. Like the beauty blender, when you touch it, it feels really soft even when it's dry. This one is like harder, if you know what I mean. But I am gonna test this out. Like, I really like these sharp edges for like if you want to bake your face. You get into like all the little creases. So I do really, really like that. Obviously, I'm not going to test it out now because I'm wearing makeup, but it feels pretty nice. I love this, like I said, and yeah, it's really, really cute. You can never have too many sponges, am I right? So I'm going to keep you guys posted on this one. Maybe you'll see me using it a lot in future videos if I end up loving it. So stay tuned for an updated little opinion on this. But that's it. That is all 5 products in my Boxycharm box for May. I have to say, I'm very excited about this one. I feel like I got some really, really cool products. I was so skeptical at first about this one, but now it's something that I'm really, really interested in continuing to test out, because I want to see what this does for me, like before makeup and on its own when I don't really want to wear much makeup for the day. So that's super interesting to me. I got the Somerville moisturizer, which I already know I love, and then these other 3 products, which end up being really, really cool. So this box this month is a huge hit for me. Like, I am excited about every single item in here. So very, very excited to continue playing around with them and using them. And this is exactly why I love Boxycharm. So a successful month of new products. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I definitely did, but I hope you guys did too. So please make sure to comment and let me know your thoughts on what I got in my box. If you guys also do Boxycharm, let me know what you got in your box. If we got the same stuff, if you got something different, I love to hear that. So let me know. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me. Give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. But stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.